Spring 2025. I'm at the vegetable market at the east end of found this thing, Kawasaki, written on his gas tank. The important thing is that his machine door is thick and large. The side butt is still upturned, and his tires seem to be track versions. But his front line was cut off. I pouted him anyway. Then use a forklift. Just like that, it dripped back to him. The car just weighed him. A total of 139.5. The boss sold me a combination of 7 UN. The throttle on this car is super thick. There are also track-specific tires. I don't think we should buy this car. If it is repaired at a loss, I will sell it to your classmates. You can make thousands with your eyes closed. I guess this car can't be parked for a short time. Look at this. The tires are cracked in a large area. Give me the card CC for the nails in the back of the car. But from the appearance of the engine, it doesn't seem damaged. At least there is no oil leak. His 4 exhaust pipes are all broken iron roots. I suspect that there is a 3-way catalyst in this quack. Even such good shock absorption is cut by a horizontal knife. The condition of his car now, worse than when I came back at 7. Anyway, you put on your gloves first. We're working again. Such a good shock absorber. Let him give me a CC. And look at his handlebars. X-shape has been created. But it didn't matter. As long as his engine still works, I think this car is worth it for both of us. So now, you all figure it out. Let's get this engine going. It's okay. I peeled off the damaged shell of the whole car. Leaking lateral skeleton. It looks kind of neat. But he's missing a key. But that's okay. I have a way to cut the leak for him. Really can't. Let's unload it directly from the key port. You can even connect. If you want to lose your car keys in the future, give me a call. I'll save you. Now let's connect the whole battery of this car. Try power on. Not bad at all. The circle says, I've got all those cars. He was the only one powered on, and he lost the transfer. Now we can fix his gas circuit. This is his gas tank. I don't know which father did it for him. Such a big hole. He is no longer worth repairing. Let me guess. I think this still works. Its appearance is very poor, but it's plastic inside. There is no large-scale, floating rust. I own several motorcycles. We can get these 2 from the ground. Set a fuel tank for him to try out the car. I use a small pan. The way to order fried beans. Selected the fuel tank of this Suzuki BAM, but the plug is different. Give him the flywire connection directly. Let's get him started first. Now he has gas and electricity. You can try to start it. Wish me luck. No, this thing has oil and electricity. Stands to reason that he should have started, but this thing, there is no steel pressure. If his engine really didn't have steel pressure, our sisters will pay for this car if they buy it. I removed his spark plug. Coated with steel pressure gauge, after testing twice, more than 7 pressures popped out. That's not the problem. Now we can confirm that this car has oil and steel pressure. I checked our circuitry. Pulled flower plug. Sure enough, no fire came out of it. It seems that the problem is on I used a CS shield welding for this Chang Seaside shell. Repair him. Then use an angle grinder to polish him flat. How to open it for him. How to put it back on him. I hope he doesn't talk to us again this time. And I gave him a second barrel of motor oil. I don't know now. What is the state of this engine? Anyway, I've dried 2 barrels of oil. I just smashed the door number for him when he leaked oil. Now I don't know where the gasoline came from. I think this car is a bit unspecified. I thought he was a little weird when I bought this car. I wanted to shoot him when I got back. But drumball, I forgot about it. In his current situation, it's really a donkey pulling a horse to run. The place where the kelp leaks gasoline is this fuel injector. Hand chop me when I unplug him. I also rubbed it. Not missing this time. Now this engine, it doesn't leak oil or water. We can get his other Fujian back. And the first thing that came back was the headlights of the This is the exhaust pipe of a dismantling. There's also a 3-way catalyst. I'm done buying this pair of shock absorbers for dismantling cars. The price is super expensive. He's a mailbox seller who dismantles cars. Told me he was the original, but this orange doesn't suit my car. That's almost early. Accessories for this car. Now we can go use dry ice. Give him a thorough cleaning under the car. We sell this stuff for 6 yuan a kilogram. I bought 30 kilograms. This is done with that name. The special effect is really crooked deep. 3 caddies of chili peppers. So far, this car is still worth what we bought. Then I also plan to use the towing machine. Give him the original, take the original paint off. But suddenly, I realized, that seller is purely blind here. Just look at this fuel tank now. Almost 70% or 80% of the paint is on. And the color is different every time. Until I grabbed this tank like this, he was really an orange. But this fuel tank used to. It's also a car with a story, and the repair is very fooling. Now, I had to rip the tank open from the bottom. I want to fix my end for him again. After a lunch break, I finally rescued this mailbox on the 9th floor. The remaining small bits are all when you don't see them. Then I use a handheld laser welder. Solder his bottom case back. Next is Lao Tzu's routine. Spray the fuel tank with a rejuvenating primer first. Then give him a thin one. Layer of base paper, ash for leveling. Give him another piece of midway paint to give him a uniform tone. And finally, you can spray him with your favorite green. Put him on a 1-to-1 fuel tank sticker. Then you can spray the bright oil for the last time. Then send it to the paint gang to bake it for just a while. Finally, I came back and got this crystal clear fuel tank. So far, even if the accessories of this car are similar. Now we can load the car. On this front axle, you need a dedicated tool. I don't have it, but I'm also a dog enough. I welded it together with 2 screws. It can be a perfect replacement. I'm so smart. He still has a hot fleece tire on the rear wheel. I bought this tire back then. I estimate the cost to be 1,000 or 100. Of course, it's over now. I need to go and change it for him. I installed his reflector. Now, even if this car is repaired, he must also weigh more than me. 39.5 kilograms. But now if you bid another 7 yuan a kilogram, I still won't sell it to you. Because now the car starts perfectly. Now, even if this big guy is refurbished, we can go test drive, but my beard looks sloppy now. I'm no longer worthy of this clean car. I'm going to renovate it too. Let me show you my renovation partner, by the way. Humid men are more handsome. This is the Geely Hybrid Sports Road I've been using recently. Tenniel Geely. I have several. It's the first time I've seen it with electricity. There is microseismic technology of the shake the skin while scraping. Keep the 5-layer blade close to the fibrous rim. Shave faster and cleaner. The shock feels as comfortable as a facial spa. After using it, it can also automatically remove the fine water from the pot of tea. Much cleaner. Let's go. Let's go test drive. Cool, let's go. The sun is up. So far, 1 kilogram in July, over 139.5 kilograms of Kawasaki Z1000. Kawasaki's power can only be described as explosive. Rider of this bike, you also need to have the figure 8 of spiral steel. Thank you for your help. I wish you good health and wealth.